Why? I'm on crack.
That's gay.
I got what seems to be the problem here?
Work.
He's gay. Get your hands on the floor.
Oh.
Get on the ground. Fuck you. Have you boys been drinking?
No, but he has.
Boy, I don't like limes.
No, I'm telling the truth.
I smell gay.
My bad.
Oh,
Ow, ow, ow.
do you like Asians?
Oh, hell yeah.
That's not the right answer.
Racist. Ow, ow.
You like Asians?
Yo, hell yeah.
That's not the right answer. You want to meet my good friend Bill Pham?
That's the stupidest name.
Say-
Billy!
Oh, they're going to get you, Jordan. Ow.
Okay, Billy, get him again.
Ah, you mother Jordan.
I do this one real good. My. Boy, I'll let you go if you give me 10 push-ups.
Okay, fine, I'll do it.
That's what I like to hear.
Oh.
That was a really fine push-up. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You got more guts than I have. Here you go.
It's not Christmas.
Bye, you stupid Jordan.
Have fun, Billy. Go on, Billy. I got him.
Ah!
Drink this.
Ah! 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 I think he's dead. Oh. Oh, that's scary. You suck, Jordan. Call me motherfucking Leatherface.
My beautiful little boy. Now bring him to the dungeon. I mean, slaughterhouse.
You coming with me?
Please stop.
Unless you subscribe our channel, son.
That was weird.
So sexy.
Bill, get over here. like a little buddy. I like your new face. Come on, Bill, I need you. Stop playing around. I got some black people for you to kill. Enjoy!
You need to be down with a pimp like me. I ain't turning down nothing but my collar, you see. I'ma leave you with my number, you should holler at me. Cause I'm a baller, can't nobody hustle harder than me. Ooh.
Split up! Bye.
Morgan Freeman!
On guard. On guard. I'm f***.
My first race to kill got down working. I killed a racer faster. He all.
I got one more for you. But he's half black, half white. Give me a cracker. He's a slow runner. That's a good thing. Good. Never. Chase him! Chase him! Chase the cracker!
I'm too tired of running in circles. The second black person died first. Wait, you're not black?
I am black.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Oh, my bad. God, it's sweaty in here.
What do you want?
I want to play your PS3.
Come in!
Okay, thanks. Oh, shit.
On February 1st, 2014, 2 African Americans were murdered by Bill Pham. Nobody really cares. Nobody really knows their names. But it's a good way to celebrate Chinese New Year.